2022. It's been 6 months since I have joined the institute, and I have got job in New Year, and the location is Bangalore, and the package was 3.6 LPA. My experience in JSpiders, to have to say, it's delightful and it's a good learning experience. The teaching faculty was good. The way they explain things and the way explain the concepts, it's very good. The first month I have joined, they have taught me SQL, and the next was web technologies and Java. And I have to say, these are the best teaching faculty you can find here in Hyderabad. So, and I'm very happy with this, with the institute. Thank you.